Good morning, students. Today's topic is chemical properties of nonmetals. First, reaction with oxygen. Reaction with oxygen, nonmetal form the oxides. Carbon plus oxygen, after heating it will form carbon dioxide. Sulfur, on heating in presence of oxygen, it will form sulfur dioxide. SO2 sulfur dioxide in presence of oxygen, it will converted into SO3 sulfur trioxide. Here V2O5 is used. This is a catalyst which is vanadium pentaoxide. The oxides of nonmetals are acidic in nature. Means oxides of nonmetals are acidic oxides. This nonmetal CO2 that react with water, it will form H2CO3 means carbonic acid. SO2 react with water, it will form H2SO3 that is sulfurous acid. Why these oxides of nonmetals are acidic in nature? Because they dissolve in water to form acids. After dissolving to form a acid. Next is amphoteric oxides. The oxides which behaves like acidic as well as basic. Suppose example is zinc, aluminium, etc. This is here we take the example of zinc oxide. Here it is present in basic nature. It react with acid, it will form ZnCl2 plus water means salt plus water. This zinc oxide in this reaction it behaves as a acidic. It react with base, it will form sodium zincate and it will form a water means salt plus water is formed. Means these oxides will shows both acidic and basic character. Now the next reaction is reaction with acids. When a non-metal like sulfur that react with concentrated H2SO4. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. After heated it will form SO2 gas and water. But when this reaction means when the sulfur react with nitric acid that is concentrated, after heated it will form H2SO4 plus NO2 gas plus water. Means when sulfur react with sulfuric acid it will release SO2 gas, but when react with nitric acid it will release NO2 gas. Next reaction is the reaction with chlorine. When the non-metal phosphorus that react with chlorine it will form PCl5. When the sulfur react with chlorine it will form a S2Cl2 sulfur monochloride. Means when the non-metal react with chlorine it will form a chlorides. Next is fourth reaction with hydrogen. When the non-metal react with hydrogen it will form the formation of hydrides like this. Hydrogen plus sulfur it will form H2S. Means when the hydrogen react with sulfur it will form hydrogen sulfide gas. Here we take another example. N2 plus 3H2 it will form 2NH3 means nitrogen plus hydrogen give rise to ammonia gas. So all these are the chemical properties of nonmetals. Now, what are the difference between the metals and non-metals on the basis of chemical properties? Point number 1. Nature of oxides. Oxides of metals are basic in nature except ZnO and Al2O3 means aluminium oxide. These are amphoteric oxides because they behaves as acid as well as base. But the oxides of non-metals that are acidic in nature, except CO and N2O, that are neutral oxides. Point number 2, electrochemical behavior. The metal form cation by the loss of electrons. It means they are electropositive in nature. Non-metals form anion by the gain of electrons. It means they are electronegative in nature. Next, point number 3, reaction with dilute acid. Active metals release hydrogen gas on reacting with dilute HCl and dilute H2SO4. But non-metals don't react with dilute acids. Point number 5, nature of compound. The compound of metals are ionic in nature. Ionic means plus or minus, means cation and anion. But non-metals that are covalent in nature. And there are many exceptional cases also. Metals, point number 5, oxidizing and reducing nature. Metal acts as reducing agent, means atom lose electrons. Reducing agent means these shows oxidation. Oxidation means loss of electrons. Non-metals acts as oxidizing agent. It means they shows reduction. Reduction means gain of electrons. Example, when the sodium atom lose 1 electrons, it will form Na plus 1 ion. So this form oxidation. Non-metals, this is chlorine. After gaining 1 electrons, it will form Cl negative ions. Non-metal shows oxidizing agent or reduction. So all these are the difference between the metals and non-metals on the basis of chemical properties. Thank you, students.